All right, welcome back. So I wanted to go over what is my favorite tool I use. It doesn't matter what brand, but I actually just went into the Ryobi ecosystem. Been there for a few years. Some things aren't the greatest, but I use this a lot. This is the Ryobi multi-tool, 18-volt lithium battery. And I use this thing for everything from cutting metal to cutting wood to drywall, trimming wood, cutting trim, like even the fine cuts to take off and fit molding. Sometimes if you don't get it right on the saw or something, you can just get in there and shave some stuff off with this multi-tool. It is awesome. Siding, if you're cutting hardy board, you can use it for that. The secret to this thing is getting the right blades. I put it at the 90 degree. You can put it at multiple positions based right here using the Allen nut, loosen that, and you can just set this whatever angle is most comfortable. This one is the P570. The only thing that doesn't work on this is the lights always go out on the Ryobis. I've lost 2 lights on 2 different tools, the Sawzall and this one. But this is a great, man. If you're going to get a tool, I don't know how people survived without this tool. But it makes life easy. So there you go. People bust on the Ryobi brands, but this thing I've used quite a bit. And I haven't dropped it or thrown it or anything like that. But it definitely is holding up. And I recommend it. Of course, you got Old Milwaukee, DeWalt. What are the other ones out there? I don't know. Yeah, everyone makes one. So again, whatever ecosystem you're in, I do have Old Milwaukee tools as well. But once you buy into the batteries, these are what? I got a new battery right here. This one I just got was around $90 at the depot. So it depends what ecosystem you buy into in chargers. That's where the money comes in. The batteries last well. They don't do well in salt water environments. If you're on a boat with one of these, we used this on the boat to inflate the floaty toys, and the batteries just do not like it. They get corroded easily from the salt air and any moisture that gets on them. This is my second favorite tool. This is a little air pump. I use this on all the vehicles. It makes it so much easier than having a compressor or plugging something into the wall. This is the go-to for any of my vehicles to check the tire pressures. This thing has held up for quite a few years now. Another reliable tool. Again, they're not all reliable, but I'd say 80% of my Ryobi stuff has held up pretty good. And there you go. I had a dead battery. You just witnessed it. It was the green screen of death demo. Look at that, blinking 1. Of course, the multi-tool is not going to work with one level battery. Put the new battery in. This thing is gold. I'm sure the light doesn't work. Yeah, so that's the only thing. Great tool. Check it out. Any multi-tool, any brand, I think you're going to be fine with. Yeah, there you go.